Now y'all know I love to smell good, and if I can smell good on a budget, then this company is a win-win for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Unique World, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review. This company is called DOSSIER, and I am very excited to see how well this company is. This company is a cruelty-free company that sells Dupe Perfume. You know, you go to the store and you see that there's like different perfumes and they smell so good. Then you look at the price tag and then you be like, $350? Well, I am hoping that this company comes through because I love a good deal. Also, they just cut down on the price where it's not as expensive. It ranges from like $29 to $49 depending on the perfume fragrance. So with that being said, you know, we want to make sure that it smells good, make sure that it's lasts longing, and we'll see how well this company go. So let's get to the unboxing. Now y'all know I love to smell good, and if I can smell good on a budget, then this company is a win-win for me. So let's see and hope that they come through. So this is what the package looks like. I have 2 orders and they both come in a separate box. So they don't just pack it in like one box. They, you know, put it in their separate boxes. Another thing that I do want to mention is that they do a lot of discounts, and right now they have like a 25% discount, and if you order 3, then you get them for free shipping. So, which is really nice. So, love ways to save. Okay, and let me just open up the first box. And here's what it looks like. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So, you know, you go to the store and you pay for a perfume bottle, basically. And also the fragrance that's inside the bottle. But, you know, me looking at the bottle, that's where they save money. Oh, they also included a sample as well. So, okay, it is glass, but it's not like it's fancy, but that's okay with me because all you're gonna do is throw away the bottle anyway when you're done. Unless you're like, you know, somebody that likes to keep cute bottles and stuff, but you're paying for your bottle and how it looks and the brand name. But this company is a dupe company, so you're just paying for the fragrance, really. But the one that I did order is Floral Jasmine, and it is a Tom Ford Jasmine Rouge perfume. And comes with this little card so you know exactly, you know, what name or of the fragrance they are trying to resemble. And let's see. It says, thank you. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try. Okay, and it says how it works. Any scent you order comes with a sample that you can test before opening the full-size 50 milliliter bottle. Don't like the sample? Just return the package with a 50 milliliter bottle and you will get a full refund. Returns are free, no question asked. So that's a plus. So if you don't like how it smells, you can return it. I mean, why not try, you know, a bottle? And the Floral Jasmine is $39 on the website. And I believe the retail price, and you know, depends on how much you get inside the bottle or how big the bottle is, ranges from like $250 and up, but I'll put the price somewhere on the screen for the real deal of Tom Ford. But the thing about this is a good deal because you can use this company to test out different scents that, you know, you might be interested in, but don't want to spend $200 or $300 on the perfume and don't like it because you can't return it. But with this company, you can test it out and you can return it, no questions asked. So I do like that in, you know, the company. So I do like that it's like magnetic, like, so it's not like it's a cheap bottle, but you know, I would rather just get a bottle and when I'm done, throw it away. But let's see what it smells like. From me smelling this, it smells really good, but I will go ahead and get my sample to test it out. It smells really, really good. It's not like strong, but it smells like really good to where I think it will actually last. Like, it's not something that you would have to repeatedly like put on throughout the day. So that's a plus. So I might even have to just test it out one day to just see like if it actually lasts long, where I don't have to keep putting it on. But this smells really, really, really good. So I'm going to go on to the next perfume. And this one I believe is Dior. And I'll put the exact perfume somewhere on the screen so that you can see it. And this product was $29 from DOSSIER. So it's a good deal. It's definitely a good deal. And it comes with the exact same card information so you can read which product this is or fragrance this is. So it's the Dior J'adore perfume. For Dior, I'm going to test it out and see how well it smells. And I really think they did a really good job with the packaging. So it's really nice. It's not like you're just getting just anything. So I really like that. Okay, so I'm about to try the Fruity Jasmine. I inhaled it too much. Okay, it smells good. It smells good. It definitely smells good. But honestly, I like the other one better, my preference, which is the Floral Jasmine, and maybe because I like floral scents. Let me know what kind of scents you guys prefer when you decide to like buy perfume. Even when you go to like Bath and Body Works and you get the little mints. I like floral, and I do like fruity fragrance too, or something that smells real fancy. But I do like the fruity jasmine, but I really like the floral jasmine. So I know this one will probably be my go-to. But other than that, I love the mission of the company and how they, you know, try to save you more money and put more money in your pockets, where you don't have to go out and buy that expensive perfume, and you can test it out with them and see how well you like it. So, and honestly, after smelling the fragrance and stuff, I would probably always go to DOSSIER, because who wants to spend $200 to $300 on perfume? Not me. But definitely a great deal that DOSSIER has, and I really like the Dupe Perfumes and the quality and the smell of it. But once again, if you go to the website, definitely get floral jasmine, because this one smells so good. Not that this one don't smell good, but this one smells really good. But that is it for this video. I really like the company, and you know, definitely will be trying them and with other fragrances as well. But I hope that you will check them out. I'll leave their information down below in my description box. But thank you so much for tuning in and watching this product review. And make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.